Good morning, students. So students, in the last class I teach you about face value and place value of any 4-digit number, right? And I hope that you all have understood. Today I will teach you about expanded form. Okay, so first of all, before I proceed to expanded form, let me teach you about standard form. Okay, so now if I write any number, say 321, okay, so this form of writing any number is called what? Standard form. Okay, this is what? Standard form. Okay, now our topic is what? Expanded form, right? So if I stretch this number, okay, that form is called what? Expanded form. Okay, now how we can stretch any number? Okay, let me show you. So again, 321. So here, first of all, in order to write any number in expanded form, we will see the place value. Okay, so here you can see the place value of 1 is what? Ones, tens, and this will be what? 100. Okay, now we'll write the number according to the place value. Okay, now we start from this direction. That means first of all we'll write 3, then 2, then 1. So the place value of 3 is what? 300. So we'll write place value of 3 like that, 300. Okay, plus, okay, now let's see the next number or next digit, that is 2. So the place value of 2 is what? Tens. So we'll write 20. Okay, and the place value of 1 is what? Ones. So in ones nothing will change, right? In the last class I teach you these things. Okay, how we can write any number according to its place value, right? In figures, not in words. Okay, so let's take another example. If I write any 4-digit number, suppose 1432. Okay, now we'll write the expanded form of this number. So first of all we'll write the place value, ones, tens, 100, and this will be what? 1000. So we'll start from 1. So the place value of 1 is what? 1000. So we'll write 1 with 3 0. Yes, next we'll write 4, and the place value of 4 is what? 100. So we'll write 4 with 2 0. Okay, next we'll see the next number, that is 3. 3 is placed in tens place, so we'll write 3 with 1 0. Okay, and as you can see 2, it stands in ones place, so nothing will change. Okay, we can simply write 2. Okay, this is how we can write any standard form number to expanded form. Okay, I hope you have understood how we can write any number in expanded form. Okay, so now we'll do the exercise. Okay, my dear students, so now you can see exercise 3. So before we proceed to exercise 3, let me show you one example that is given in your book. Okay, how we can write expanded form of any number. Okay, so here 7534, 7534 it is given. So in words we can write like this: 7000 as it is placed in thousand place. Okay, that's why 7 we'll write with 1000, plus 500 as 5 stands in 100 place, then 3 tens plus 4 ones. And in figures we can write like this. Okay, 7,000, then 500, then 30, and then 4. Okay, so in exercise 3 we have to write the numbers in figures, not in words. Okay, so question number 1A, it is already done. Okay, it is already done for you. You can see 3000 plus 600 plus 80 plus 4 is the expanded form of 3684. Okay, now we'll do B part. So B part, B question is what? 5079. Okay, so first of all we will write the place value. So ones, tens, and this one 100, and this will be what? 1000. So we'll write the expanded from this number, that is from the 1000 place value we'll start. So here space is not there, so I am writing here. Okay, so 5 will write with 30, that is 5000, plus now this number 0 is there and it is placed in 100 place value, so we'll write 0 0 0, 30 we will write. Okay, 10 for the number and 20 for 100 place. Now next number is what? 7 stands in tens place, so we'll write 7 with 1 0. And the last one is what? 9. Okay, as it is placed in ones place. So our number will be what? 5000 plus 0 plus 70 plus 9. Okay, this is the expanded form of 5079. Okay, I hope you have understood. Okay, one more question we will do. Okay, now see D. Okay, again we'll write the number 4682. Now we'll write the place value, ones, tens, and this one 100, and this will be 1000. So we'll start from this number. So 4 with 30 as it is placed in 1000 place, then 600, then 80, then 2. This is the expanded form of 4682. Okay, okay, one more thing, let me tell you, if you are writing expanded form of any number, okay, so suppose this B number, okay, 5079 it is, right? So the expanded form is what? 5000, then what I write? 3 zeros I wrote, right? Then 70, then 9. Okay, so if 0 is placed in any place value, okay, if 0 is there in any place value, we'll write only single 0. Okay, for your understanding I just show you 3 zeros. Okay, but instead of 3 you can also write 1 0. Okay, we'll write only 1 0 if 0 is there. Okay, this will be also correct. Okay, so if 0 is placed in any form in any place value, then we'll write only 0. Okay, we'll not put any extra zeros. Okay, okay, now C and E will be your homework. Okay, and this homework you have to do in your classwork copy. And the questions that we have discussed, like B, D, right, this one you have to do this one in your book, no need to do in copy. Okay, in your book only you can simply write the answer. Okay, and in copy you have to do C and E part. Okay, is it clear? Okay, now we'll see the next question. Question number 2, write the numbers. Now expanded form it is given and you have to write the numbers. So in order to write the numbers, 2 methods are there, and it depends which method you will use. Okay, so the first method is what? You can simply add these numbers. So 7000 it is given, then 400, then 50, then 9. Okay, now we'll add this one. So we'll get 9547. So here I will write what we got, 7459. Okay, so our number will be what? 7459. Okay, this is the first method in order to find out any number, okay, which is in expanded form. Second method is what? You just draw 4 blanks, okay, and on the basis of place value we will put the numbers in each blank. Okay, as you can see, 7000, that means 7 is placed in 1000 place, right? So we'll write 7 here. Then 400 means 4 is placed in 100 place, so we'll write 4 here. Then 50, 5 is placed in tens place, and then 9. Okay, this is the another way in order to do this one. So one way is what? You can simply add these numbers, and the second way, we will observe, we will see the place value of this number. Okay, on the basis of this place value, we'll put the digit and we'll make the number. Okay, okay, so that's all for today. I hope you have understood about the expanded form, how we can write any number in its expanded form. Okay, so in the next class we will discuss about comparing quantities. Okay, how we can compare any numbers, which number will be the bigger one, greater one, which number will be the smaller one, right? These things we will discuss. Okay, so till then you just revise, you just learn whatever I teach you today, and you also practice. Okay, you do lots of practice in maths. Okay, so we'll see you in the next class.